Good morning all, I welcome you all in the course interfacing of Arduino using LabVIEW, MATLAB and Arduino IDE. Basically in this course we just program Arduino hardware using LabVIEW, that is GUI based software, using MATLAB, using Arduino IDE. Okay, so over here some introduction of Arduino. It is open source hardware and software source. You can interface sensors and actuators using this particular hardware device. The programming language that is used is based on C++. Introduction to Arduino, interfacing with LabVIEW, MATLAB and Arduino IDE. LabVIEW is a graphical programming language. It basically uses G language for programming. You just drag and drop different components. In the case of MATLAB, when we just program the Arduino using MATLAB, in this case we just use Simulink. Over the Simulink we again have drag and drop boxes. You just interface your Arduino device with your MATLAB software. You can program for signal generating and signal acquisition also. In the Arduino IDE there are it is the open source device that are provided by Arduino company also. You can program your Arduino hardwares. In this particular case we have different Arduinos like Arduino Nano, Arduino IDE and Mega, Arduino Micro. We have different versions. We can program using Arduino IDE also. In this case we just use C++ coding, that is text based. Over here some examples of Arduino integration with LabVIEW and Arduino integration with MATLAB. And over here you can develop your code using integrated development environment that is provided by Arduino also. Upload your code into the Arduino, and it is the simplest, easiest way, but hard to recognize the code because the users that are not friendly with the text-based programming, it is difficult for them. Build your Arduino projects, LabVIEW projects we can develop, MATLAB projects we can develop, Arduino IDE projects we can develop. We just deploy the code inside the Arduino and we can monitor and we can control different devices. Here are some examples. It can increase the efficiency, it can expand the possibilities, seamless connectivity is there. So using these different devices you can enhance your hardware knowledge. If you have some software code, if you want to realize this in the real world, you just go with this particular course. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.